Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window regulator. First, gather your essential tools, including screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, and a new regulator. Next, for safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, carefully remove the interior door panel and any trim pieces, exposing the inner workings of the door. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old regulator. Carefully detach the window glass from the regulator assembly, securing it in the up position with tape. Next, unplug all electrical connectors from the window motor and any associated switches. Finally, unscrew all the mounting bolts that secure the old regulator to the door frame. You can then carefully remove the entire old assembly from the door cavity. With the old one out, it's time to install the new regulator. Carefully position the new regulator assembly inside the door cavity, aligning it with the mounting holes. Secure it firmly with all the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Next, carefully reconnect the window glass to the new regulator's clips or arms. Ensure the glass is properly seated and moves freely before proceeding. Almost done, reconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal and test the window's operation. Ensure it moves smoothly up and down without any binding or unusual noises. Once satisfied, reattach all electrical connectors, then carefully reinstall the interior door panel and any trim pieces you removed earlier. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.